What's up, my bomb and subscriber squad? Hey. What's happening, guys? Welcome. I am Tonyanicole, and you have now entered the party, boo. What's going on? What y'all doing? How y'all doing, girl? I am doing great. Today on the platter, we're going to be doing the Look Fantastic Beauty Box. So I'm excited to see what July have to offer. And if you are too, stay there, baby. Don't move. Oh, and make sure you like, share, and subscribe. All right, loves, welcome. As I said before, I'm Tonyanicole, and welcome. This will be a very quick video of the Look Fantastic Beauty Box. Before we get started, I want to shout out my 5 first commenters from my last video. Thank you guys so much for rocking with your girl. I greatly appreciate you all. I do not have a drink today, guys, but y'all can take a dance break and a drink break. Ooh. Y'all will be seeing this get up in about 3 videos, guys, because I'm trying to film some videos so I can have content for when I'm out of town. So please forgive me, y'all. But a girl's got to do what a girl's got to do, right? Thank you. All right, guys. So I do not remember the price of this bag per month, but I will put it down here on the screen. But I do know that you're supposed to get 5. I think it's like beauty deluxe sample size products, 5 to 6 maybe. And I do have a link down below that if you sign up using my link, you will get your first bag for $1 if you do a 12-month subscription. So yes, check that out if you want to. If not, babe, you could just watch me unbox them, right? Ooh, yeah, but let's go. All right, guys, so this is the July's bag, and this is what it looks like. We get this little brochure every month that tells us about the products that's in the box, and I'm very happy to see that. Only thing is they don't give us prices. I'm not sure about why, but they don't give us prices. So let's just get into it. This is how the bag is looking this month. I like it. That's very cute. I could actually do a lot with this little bag. It's a nice little cute bag that opens up like that. I'm gonna go from the card so I can just go quickly and in order. Okay, so first up we have from Revlon. Okay, this is the Super Luminous Lipstick in the shade Rose Wine. And this is a creamy lipstick that adds a pop of natural color to your pout. It's infused with liquid silk formula that seals in both pigment and softness for a lip look that is long lasting and doesn't flake or crack. Alrighty, so yes, the first one is a Revlon lipstick. And looking from this picture here, I don't think your girl is gonna use that. So I will not open it. I will just put this in a future giveaway. Then second up, we have from Ilamask, and this is the Beyond Liquid Highlighter here. This is a liquid highlighter taking inspiration from the brand's infamous Beyond Highlighting Powder that will give you a strobe-like glow. Mix it into your base makeup for a natural luminosity or apply directly to the high points of your cheek for a glowy champagne finish. It does have a seal on it. I won't open this, guys, because I probably won't use this either. So I'll put this in a giveaway as well. Then we have up next this Star Skin VIP Second Luxury All Day Mask. And this is a miracle 7-step skincare regimen in one handy pad that combines Star Skin's famous 7-second morning and overnight mask. This double-sided cleansing pad works to hydrate and refresh your complexion as it cleans for quick and effective skincare. All right, so this is what the little pad looks like right there, guys. All right, I'm always down for a good little cleansing pad. I don't mind it. I'll use it. So there you have it. Ooh, from Elemis right here. And this is the Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer right there. And this is, it says, want dewy, glowing skin? Who doesn't? This Elemis Priming Moisturizer is here to give you smooth, radiant complexion of your dreams. Ooh. It's blended with nourishing ingredients that will brighten your skin. It's perfect for daily moisturizer or as a primer or a natural base. And I am definitely here for Elemis. Their products are amazing. It's sealed again, which I'm not mad at the seal. Don't think that I am. I'm not. But I can't show you guys how it looks, but I'm fine with it because I know nobody's been messing with it. So it's sealed. I won't open it, but I love Elements. Drop down in the comments and let me know what you think about them. Then we have from Grow Gorgeous. Oh, this is a protective heat shield. You get 60 milliliters. You get 60 milliliters of product in here. And it says it's a protective hair mist that shields your hair from heat damage, color fade, and external aggressors. Vegan friendly and formulated without parabens, sulfates, or silicones. I'm about to say salicylates. Why? I don't know. Especially great for greasy hair that is prone to product buildup. There we go right there, guys. So it's got a little pop top, and I'm going to spray it. Ooh! Oh, this smells really good. It's a leave-in spray. I love this, y'all. It smells good. I'm definitely going to use this. Definitely. It's so funny that I'm happy about hair care products, huh? Y'all know I don't really like hair care products, but heat protectants are definitely a must for me. And now, dry shampoos. All right, so last product is this Cucumber Face and Body Tan Mist. This is a refreshing face and body spray, which acts as a gradual tanner to give you a bronzy glow this summer. With the lightweight formula that is instantly absorbed and zero fake tan smell. This gradual tanner is suitable for face and body and is perfect for that golden glow. Now, your girl is already tan, so does this work on me? It's gonna make me what? Bronzier and darker? I don't know. It doesn't smell like nothing. That's how it sprays out. I don't know if I mean, I'm tan already, y'all. So I'll be passing this along because I really don't know what it's going to do to my skin. But it's good to have, I guess, a face and body tan mist. I've never heard of these before. Okay, and it does smell like cucumber. Very fresh scent. Okay, that was our final product. We're going to do a quick recap, final thoughts, and we're going to be done. So we received from Star Skin this luxury mask. From Ilamosk, this highlighter. From Elements, this glow priming moisturizer. From Mine, this tanning body spray. From Revlon, this bullet lipstick. And from Grow Gorgeous, this hair protectant, heat protectant. So these 6 products for the month. Final thoughts, I thought it was okay. It's definitely giving me summer type vibes with the glowy skin and the tan and the heat protectant, the face mask. It doesn't have a lot of makeup, only 2 products. Both I won't use, but I'm glad to see 2 makeup products. It was an okay box for this month. Look fantastic. You know, I think it's more of like just skincare heavy and maybe a little dab of makeup, which is not bad for my skincare lovers. I just thought it was an okay bag for this month. Let me know in the comments down below what you thought. And yeah, boo, that's all I have. So make sure if you haven't done so already, you subscribe to our family. We would love to have you. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. All of those are down below. Look Fantastic's link, well, my link for Look Fantastic will be down below as well. I don't make any money off of y'all subscribing under my name, so don't even worry about it, boo. And that's it. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will talk to you all in the comments and on my next video. I'm sorry that it's so short, y'all, but I'm trying to boom, 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 so I can go do a little day drinking. Hey. Bye.